speak right to my heart. Without saying a word, you can light up the dark. Well, try as I may, I could never explain what I hear when you don't say a thing. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me if ever I fall. Oh, you say it best when you say nothing at all. All day long I can hear people talking out loud, but when you hold me near, you drown out the crowd. Well, old Mr. Webster could never define what's being said between your heart and mine. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me if ever I fall. Oh, you say it best when you say nothing at all. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me if ever I fall. Oh, you say it best when you say nothing at all. Memories fade slowly. No, please don't go, not yet. Well, I was your one and only, and I'm not ready to forget all the times we shared together, all the words we never said. But I remember when we almost went to California. We almost fell in love in the sand. last winter, snow falling all around, the wedding bells rang, she entered, but I left without a sound. Oh, I know she'll always love you, but heaven knows that so will I. And I'll remember when we almost went to California. We almost fell in love in the sand, and you almost told me to be your woman.